Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all is well. My name is Robert Runnels. A little bit about myself. I'm a 38-year-old junior in college. Can you believe that? I'm one of those people that didn't take college seriously my first go around. I was a student athlete, but I took the student part of the equation for granted. Now I'm currently enrolled in Northwood University in a class that has taught me a little bit about life and how to have an intellectual conversation, addressing current issues, and being able to speak publicly with confidence is Speech 2050. I'm a frontline supervisor at UPS. And if you know anything about the company that I work for, is that we squeeze about 8 hours worth of work in a 4 hour time frame. I'm considered to be one of the best in the business at my job. And I think the reason being is because I have the ability to address issues with my colleagues and I have the ability to communicate to my employees on tasks and goals that we need to achieve. Speech 2050 has opened my mind to alternative ways of communicating, not only with the people that I work with, but in everyday life. So now before I speak, I listen, I evaluate the situation, and then I begin to speak with confidence and poise. If you have any problems dealing with public speaking or confidence in yourself, take Speech 2050. You will learn a lot of things and you will learn a lot about yourself. I'm Robert Runnels. Thanks for listening.